Want more 5-star reviews without having to chase clients? Most people think asking more often works, but it often backfires. The solution is an automated system that sends review requests, follows up, and posts them where they matter most without annoying anyone. And the best part is I've created this system, packed it into a GoHighLevel Snapshot, and I'm going to show you how to get it for free in this video. And I know this snapshot works because it's the exact system I used to get my hair salon hundreds of reviews on Autopilot and rank very high on Google. So I'm not going to waste any of your time. I'm just going to jump right into unpacking this snapshot and showing you all that is in it, these 9 different amazing pieces of this high-level reputation management snapshot, and really how this helped me get a ton of reviews and how it can help you get it too. But here's one of the things I'm going to tell you before we unpack all this. I released this to some of the people in my community to say to them, like, what do you guys think about this? Because this is new. And I was blown away by the feedback. Like, they absolutely loved it. I'm telling you, in my opinion, it is the best high-level reputation management snapshot available on YouTube or anywhere I have seen today. And it's so good that they've even given me feedback on how awesome it is. Check this out.
The fact that you can onboard reputation management clients in minutes with this snapshot's custom values is insane.
Declan has just dropped the best GoHighLevel snapshot anywhere on YouTube for reputation management. I don't have to lift a finger to send review requests to customers.
The GHL wizard did it again. His reputation management snapshot is insane. The pre-made review templates, the automations, the automated pipelines, it's hands down the best I've seen on YouTube.
How insane is that? I have never seen this much hype for a snapshot before. And one of the reasons why is because in this space right now, a really good high-level reputation management snapshot is lacking. I'm sorry, I've seen everything else out there. It's just not that good. And it doesn't solve the core problems and go above and beyond. I just want to say, I was really thinking about charging for this. I was like, nah, $1,500, $2,000, we'll put it in a payment gateway. You can just put it right down below and you guys can go check it out. But I decided, no, I want to make it free for you guys. So I'm going to go over that later in the video, but I just want to let you know that this will be free for you and I'll show you how to get it that way. But I did really want to charge for this because it is amazing and it took me a ton of time to build. So please watch through this. If you have any questions, drop them down below because I really put a lot of effort into this and I really think it's going to help you tremendously. So first up, the first thing I'm going to cover is the Autopilot review system in this snapshot. The first really important part about this snapshot is having your reviews automated, like so important. What I've done is I've created automations that when certain triggers happen, it will start sending out review requests, okay, and then moving them to pipelines and different stuff, which I have custom pipelines for you. I'm going to show you later, they're going to blow you away. That way you don't have to keep going in, sending the same person review requests. It's all hands off once you set it up. And this goes hand in hand with HighLevel's new features under SMS requests, email requests, and WhatsApp requests, where we can set up the templates, pick the exact time we want these going out, and having it be all automated. Guys, so important. I see so many people just randomly sending review requests. First off, that's hard to keep track of. It wastes a lot of time. It doesn't really grow the business, and it costs you time. With this system, you can plug it in, set it up once, and then you're done. So it's set and forget. And I even also added in this other major automation that you've probably seen before for more complex build outs that is just huge. I'm missing it's just a monster, man. I mean, look at it. It's so big. So we have automations that cover really any of the bases going hand in hand, okay, with high-level system. So once you set it up, you can be done. And I'm telling you guys, if you're doing reputation management, or you have an AI agency where you're offering this to be a local SEO, you have to have this automated. And this takes care of that. So now we covered the review system and how to make it autopilot. We now need to move on to the next part of the snapshot, which is the reviews database React automation to come in if you have a list to just start milking it for reviews. So if you have a list in HighLevel that you've imported, or you have a bunch of contacts and you want to get a bunch of reviews right off the bat, what we can do is we can use this automation I built, where if you put a list in, it is then going to hit that list with a review request, move them, take them out, put them in the right pipeline. That way, right off the bat, you can almost shotgun your reviews. So very important, very powerful. And again, guys, I've added this in because it's the full reputation management build out that you need to have. So this is awesome. I'm telling you, putting your list through this is a game changer. It's also a great way to get wins fast, which, trust me, the faster you get people to win, the longer they pay you. Now we move on to one of my favorite parts, which is number 3, which is custom values. So you can set up this entire snapshot for your clients in minutes. Guys, this is a hack. So what we have here are custom values, and they're all across this snapshot, meaning when you change this in one place, it's going to change across. So we have custom values in the automations. Okay, we have custom values over here, but you can see them right here. It's all rigged out with custom values. And what this is going to do is this is going to enable you to onboard clients so fast. Because all you have to do really, other than setting up and tweaking the fine details, is you come right into custom values and you just fill each one of these 6 out. I mean, you could technically, if you have the info, do this in 30 seconds. Like crazy, because speed is everything. And that's the point of this. So right here for the custom review link, you'd want to put your review link in right in there. You'd want to put their logo link in. Business name, you're just going to put that right in there. Business owner name, put that right in. And the onboarding form, which we have down in the form side, you just plug it in. If you don't know anything about custom values, please watch my video on it because it's very important and very powerful. But you would just click this, edit custom value, paste it right in there. So like this, again, if you don't know what this is extremely powerful. You can bring a client on and all you have to do is fill these out and it goes across high level and fills it out wherever they are. I mean, you can see all of these review requests templates I'm going to show you later. They have custom values in there. So it's just going to pre-populate. So you don't have to go manually through all this crap, wasting time, copying, pasting. It's custom valued out. So all you got to do is get in, switch these 6 out, and you're done. You're onboarding. How easy is that? And later in the video, I'm going to show you a sneaky little trick I use with an AI chatbot to make onboarding even smoother. And again, guys, speed is everything. It saves you time. It helps the client move faster. It is everything. Speed is king. So now we move on to a big piece that's going to save you a lot of time. Is 15 done-for-you review request templates. Okay, email, text, and even WhatsApp. Yeah, you ain't going to see that on YouTube. So if we come under settings, and this is part of the Autopilot review system, you have templates that you're going to have to build out. Now, these are what gets sent to the clients to get reviews. Now, we use the best ones, the ones with the highest likelihood of getting reviews, okay? But you most likely don't know what to put. So you're probably on ChatGPT and give me random messages and they suck and your reviews aren't doing that well. With this, we have 5 of each. We have 5 SMS and then we put 5 WhatsApp in here also, so you can send review requests via WhatsApp. Now, we didn't put them in here because you have to connect WhatsApp first to get it. Just so you know, that's why we put them in the SMS. But very powerful, guys, like so powerful. You're not going to see this on YouTube. People aren't going to give you WhatsApp templates because they don't think like that. But a lot of people are on WhatsApp, like a lot. It's a great way to get reviews. Then we have email templates, 5 stacked email templates. That way, when you set this up and you set all your templates, they're done. It's already all taken care of. Like, the work is done with this. You just have to take it and plug it in. How easy is that? The vast majority of people are like, oh my gosh, I have to rebuild all this stuff. And that's what a lot of these other YouTubers do because they haven't done a lot of local SEO before, which I've done. That's why I have the gold and the platinum awards, is that I've done this so I understand the quickest, best way to do this. So just to recap, in the SMS templates, they're under here. Same with the WhatsApp. They're both put in one. And then the email templates are right in there. Done, dusted, ready for you to go. And if you are really interested in this snapshot, all you have to do to get it for free is just go right down below, sign up with the 30-day free trial link, check it out. You'll get access to the community, 6 live coaching calls, tons more snapshots, and so much more. And guys, I'm telling you, I really debated charging for this. Like, you probably think, oh, he's just saying that. No, I really was going to. I've sold snapshots in the past for a lot of money. This was worth a lot of money, but I decided to give it to you for free. So go down below, sign up with that link. You're also getting access to a lot of other stuff that's going to help you on this journey that you just need. Okay, you need it. It's going to help you a lot. So please check that out. I think you're really going to like it. And again, you can have this entirely for free when you go down below and check that out. Now we move on to a really, really cool part, which is the Easy Reviews imaging system. This is amazing. Check this out. So what this imaging system does, okay, is it takes an image, pre-populate a name on it, and then when you send out to your list, what it's going to do is going to switch the name for every content. And this makes your review request rates skyrocket. Okay, so watch this. By the way, this is nifty images. If you got questions, draw them down below. I can kind of show you how this works. But this is really neat. Okay, so take your list right here. Say you're sending, blast email. It's going to take every first name and switch it so the review requests go up. So it's more personalized. So this is my hair salon, my 2 stylists. So it'll say Declan. Send it to more people. It would say Rebecca. Okay, it would say Mike. It would say Jasmine. It would say whatever, whatever's name it is. And you guys can switch the picture out. But it's so much more personalized. You see what I'm saying? It's not just a, hey, give me a request. It's the stylist that did your hair asking you by your name. It's like, oh, wow. And this has been proven to really help a lot with getting reviews. So this is like just absolute magic, guys. It's a really powerful tool that you can be using. And what's cool about this, okay, is, and then this is really what I've done, is I've made this much easier by making this a custom value. So if we come right over here to custom values, you'll see right here, nifty personalized image. Like if we go in and you grab your image, you put the proper code on the image where you want the name to go, you then can come and you can take this exact bit right here, copy it, go back in, put at contact first name, as you see right there, what we have right here, plug it in, and then you're good to go. And then wherever you put that custom value, which we have in there, it's going to pre-populate your image. And then when you send it out, to said list, every name is going to be different. Now, again, you have to have a nifty images account, but I set it up so where this plugs in so that when you want to launch even higher review campaigns, you can use something like this that's going to take it, like I did with my stylus here, and it's going to switch the name. Now, obviously, this is a demonstration. I just put it in to pull it up, but look how cool that is. I mean, it's amazing. It's literally amazing. You can go through and make it so personalized, which will help tremendously. So now we move on to pre-built automated pipelines. So we have a pre-built out pipeline here where people come in, when you request a view, you will review, link clicked, non-reviewers, all this stuff. But what I've done is I've tied this into the automations. So when someone comes in, okay, they leave said review, it's going to add the pipeline. Okay, it's going to go into changing the stage. It's going to go through and automate this. So you don't have to go in and go, oh, did Dave leave a review? It's going to happen automatically. Do you see how powerful that is? Because the whole point about this snapshot, guys, I just want to take a quick step back because this is so important, is to save you time. Obviously, reputation management, do the service is great. Yes, that's first and foremost. But the main goal is to save you time because a lot of people are spending a lot of time doing manual actions. The goal of the snapshot is automation. That's why we've set it up in the way we set it. So you can come in and you can have things be automated through what I have set up. So the stages change, the pipelines are automated, and it moves very smoothly across the board. Now, this goes hand in hand with the pipelines, which is a custom dashboard plus custom reports. Now, this is something I don't see a lot of people doing that I'm telling you guys is the absolute golden nugget. So you notice in the snapshot, we have a custom dashboard because when you come into the snapshot, you're going to see a dashboard that looks like this. Now, this is amazing because this dashboard has to do with reputation management. I had to build this out. You can't just click this because one of the things is they don't have direct ways in the builder, the dashboard builder, to do everything with reviews. I had to basically completely build this from pipeline. So this is all based on said pipeline that we have moving. And we built it out and we set up this way so you have a clean dashboard so you can show people, okay, hey, this is what worked, this is what didn't work. And then it basically right there shows them the stats, which is going to keep them paying longer. It's the whole goal about analytics and data. You see what's working, it's not working. But here's where we go a step further. And this is what I don't see a lot of YouTubers doing, is if you don't want to let your clients have access to reputation management or your GoHighLevel dashboard where they might ruin stuff, even if you have the right permissions on, you can come right down to reporting, which I've created this custom report for you in the snapshot that's already set up where you can come right in here. And what it's going to do is it's going to take this entire dashboard, all of the data, all of the hard work you're doing, and automate it and send them it via email, okay, this report. So every, let's say, week, month, whatever you want to do, it's going to send them this exact dashboard with all the data. And they'll go, oh, wow, look at that. Declan is doing his work. Now you can choose the time, the date range, how much you want it, the email, the basic stuff right there, plug it in, and then you click save and schedule, and then it's going to launch, and it's going to basically be on autopilot. Again, automation, hands off. What has been the theme of the snapshot? Saving time, so you don't have to sit there convincing your clients why they need to keep paying you. See how simple that is? But a lot of people, no, they don't do that. They come back and they go, hey, look at the dashboard, Jim. Hey, Mary, look at the dashboard. And it's this cycle of you trying to convince people, when if you can just set this up to send them, they don't even have to log in. Hands off, automated. Rinse, recycle, repeat. Now we move on to number 8, which is very sneaky, which you're not going to see anywhere else, which is Facebook and Instagram review workflows. This is one of those things that only works in special circumstances, but I put it in here because it is very powerful nonetheless. So what we have here are 2 different automations, one for Instagram and one for Facebook. And it's the Instagram review launcher and the Facebook review booster. So what these do is when someone comes on Instagram and they leave a comment on your profile, then what it's going to do is it's going to respond to the comment with either one of these, and then it's going to automatically DM them a message with the trigger link asking for a review. Okay. Now you have this on both Facebook and Instagram. You could do this. And this is so powerful because in videos, you go, hey, drop comment down below. I mean, you've seen this. People go, hey, drop 2 in the comments, drop 3 in the comments. They're doing this for a reason because it fires an automation. This is why HighLevel is way better than something like ManyChat, which is something software at $200 a month where you get it for free at HighLevel. This automates that. I mean, it's so cool. Someone will comment, it will respond to the comment, then automatically DM them. Now, here's the caveat. If they do not have a social media presence that is active, this is useless. Okay, I want to make that abundantly clear. But I have seen and done this with big companies where they have big social medias or an owner, someone that is active on social media. Okay, so a personality where this crushes for. And you don't just have to do it for offers, anything. I mean, it is so powerful, like so powerful, because what they'll do is they'll create a good piece of content, okay? They'll run it out there. They go, hey guys, put 3 in the comments, put 2 in the comments, put yes, put I love you, whatever. And then this will automatically respond to their comment, boosting engagement, making the video go out to more people, and then send them a DM. Great way to collect reviews or whatever. And you can use this hand in hand with the review posts to be like, hey, we want to feature you on our page because Sally just got featured. You want to be featured? Drop a post. See how it works in tandem with the review posts, which we talked about in the reputation management tutorial? You can do that. So this is incredibly powerful. Also think ads. If you're running ads to a specific post and it's getting a ton of comments, boom, this is the same thing. You kind of see where I'm going with this. Is a very powerful way, not just to get reviews, but to do other things too. And I put this in here because for some of you guys, you know people that are in the space that have big audiences. This is an easy way to get tons of high quality reviews if you do it properly. We now move on to the last part of this snapshot, which is the easy onboarding system. This part is very important, okay, because it's going to go over smooth onboarding, which is very important. So obviously the first part about easy onboarding is the custom values. We've already talked about that though. It's incredible. It's a way to make it really fast. By the way, if you want to know more about onboarding, I have that other video that's a full reputation management tutorial. And I recommend you watch it. It goes over this more in depth, just to let you know if you're like, I don't know how to onboard at all. I'm just showing you what's in the snapshot to make it easier. So first thing is definitely custom values. The other really big thing is the snapshot onboarding form. So if you get on Zoom with someone and you're trying to onboard them, it's kind of easy to get what you want. But for a lot of people, you can't get on Zoom right away. A really good thing to do is use this form and have it automatically sent to them after they purchase. That way they can put in the review link if they know how to do it, any other link, their logo, basic stuff, so you can fill out the custom values, right in here, and then be done with it. You see how quick that is? So I added this form here because there is people where they can't get on Zoom right away. Very important. So it is a very powerful way to do this. What I've done to go a step further with this form is I built an AI chatbot. That the whole goal is to assist, okay, the customer in setting stuff up. Now, this is not going to solve all your problems. You still want to do a lot of this manually. I think in the future, this can be done completely by AI. So this is kind of like a precursor to that. But what's really important is if you're dealing with people that don't understand tech, which is a lot of people, if they don't understand tech for some of your clients, one of the really important things to do is make sure that you have a way to help them. So what often ends up happening is you will go on and you'll say, okay, connect your Google Business Profile. And they go, how do I do that? Then you are sending them instructions, call the call, blah, blah, blah. What this will do is this has been trained, okay, to go through and tell them what to do. So it goes, hey, if you want to connect your GMB, do X, Y, and Z. You want to, find me the review link, do X, Y, and Z so you don't have to. So again, this isn't going to solve all your problems, but this hand in hand with the form can make your onboarding very smooth if you're not on Zoom. And I'm telling you, it will save you a ton of time. I mean, unless you want to sit there going back and forth telling them what to do, I recommend you just go with this because it's going to be way better. It's going to help you a lot. So again, that's the last part. You have those quick onboarding stuff that I add in there to make it way easier. And again, this is just for you. You're not going to be giving this to your clients. This is part of Snapshot, but this is for you, not for your clients. So that is it, guys. That is the entire high-level reputation management snapshot gone over in full, guys. I think you're really going to love this. Again, you can get it completely for free for signing up at that trial down below. I really think this will help you tremendously. As you saw before, it's helped a lot of people. It's incredibly powerful. And it's the kind of thing where I was really debating on charging this. I really was. Like, I don't think you understand when I say actions and do. I'm not just saying that. Like, I've charged for snapshots. This one, out of all of them, deserves to be charged for. But I did because I want you to have access to things that can help you boost your journey faster so we can do more stuff in the future. And again, when you sign up at that link down below, you get access to so many other things. Okay, I'm telling you right now, for your AI agency in the future, you have to have reputation management be part of it. It's all one big service at this point that's going to help you get ahead in the future. So again, to get access to all of these amazing features inside of this snapshot, go right down below, sign up with that link, and I'll see you in the community and we'll get you hooked up. So thank you for watching. I really hope you got value from it. If you have any questions at all, drop a comment down below. And if you want the snapshot, check out the link down below. But more importantly, if you want to learn more about what's in this community and more snapshots you're going to get and all the amazing things they really have to do with the community I have that's free, watch the video that pops up at the end of this video, okay? I think you're going to love it. It's really powerful and it goes over everything in depth. Watch the video that pops up at the end of this video.